So guys, dietary fats have a bad reputation of spoiling the sharpness of your God-gifted physique. Today in this video, I am going to advise the type of dietary fats you should consume, the fats you should avoid and the fats you should limit. So guys, this video is gonna be very informative, so you guys should watch till the end. What's up people, my name is Saurav Singh. Welcome back to Target Aesthetics. Aesthetics means beauty, and the motto of my channel is to bring out the best version of yourself, whether it be fitness, whether it be lifestyle or be it nutrition. But before knowing about the types of dietary fats, you should know what dietary fat actually is. Besides proteins, carbs, one of the most essential macronutrients according to me and most of the experts and even health doctors, what they suggest is that dietary fat is one of the most important macronutrients that you should include in your diet. In fact, 15 to 20% of your diet should come from there. You will come to know after a few moments of the video. So dietary fat is one of the most essential macronutrients. In fact, body needs essential fatty acids in order to control inflammation, blood clotting and brain development. Other important roles are to regulate hormone production and keep your skin and hair healthy. It also helps to absorb fat soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, D, K and E. So guys, fat cells insulates your body. 1 gram of fat gives us 9 calories, which is equal to twice the number of calories while we consume carbs or proteins. So while talking about fats, all we know is that fats are of two kinds, saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Now family, let's talk about saturated fat. What is saturated fat basically? While we took a glimpse on molecular structure, all hydrogen atoms are linked to carbon atoms in case of saturated fats. Saturated fats are known to be bad fats. It raises your cholesterol level and even leads to severe heart diseases. So what is cholesterol basically? Cholesterol is a waxy substance that can cause clotting and even block your arteries. Saturated fats raises your high LDL cholesterol, which can even lead to strokes, heart disease and other health problems. Saturated fats are solid at room temperature. Examples of saturated fats are butter, cheese, animal products, dairy products, fatty meats. And while we talk about unsaturated fats, all carbon atoms are not linked to hydrogen atoms in this case. While we talk about its molecular structure, it lowers your LDL cholesterol. For example, most vegetable oils are unsaturated fats. It is liquid at room temperatures. And while we talk about the types of unsaturated fats, there are two types. Unsaturated fats, the fats which include one unsaturated chemical bond. And examples are olive oil and canola oil. And polyunsaturated fats, those fats which involves more than one chemical bond. In fact, chemical unsaturated bond. Examples are sunflower oil, soy oil, and the last comes the trans fatty acids. When vegetable oil is infused with hydrogen, we get trans fatty acids. A small amount of trans fatty acids increases heart disease, Alzheimer's, breast cancer. You should avoid trans fatty acids as much as possible in a day. In fact, in your whole entire life. So guys, that's all for today. If you're using Instagram, feel free to follow me. I post regular updates over there. So guys, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe this channel and do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any regular updates from my channel, where I will be uploading some crazy, efficient, effective and smart tips and tricks about fitness, lifestyle and nutrition. So guys, till then, take care. See you next time.